I want you to understand what is candlesticks. So we'll have a brief definition of candlesticks from my book. Now, candlestick is originated from the Japanese candlesticks, okay, that has open, high, low, and close frames. Okay, if the close is above the open, if the close is above the open, okay, if the close is above the open, sorry, we can say that candlestick is bullish, which means that the market is rising in the period of this time. Now, candlesticks are patterns or are trends or candles that shows us the time frame in the market, or how in a particular time frame what occurred in the market. Okay, and in order not for us to read more, when if you want to read all this, you have to get a book. It's on the website. Okay, we'll still use candlesticks to get our support and resistance, which we'll be talking about. And now this is our candlesticks. This is how it looks like. Okay, now this is the body of the candle. This is the closing of the candle. This is a bullish candlestick, by the way. So this is the close of the candle. This is where the candle open. This is where the lowest point the candle. So now this long line here in this candle is called a wick or shadow or tail of this candle. You see, you have the long tail here, or shadow here, or wick here, or wick here. And now this is the body. Okay. Now it's still the same thing with the bearish candlestick. We have the long shadow or wick or tail, and we have the body, and we have this is where the candle open to go bearish, and this is where it closes. Giving okay. This is another example of this bullish and bearish candlestick. Okay, now how do you understand this more? Is now for a bullish candlestick, basically nowadays is green. The platform make it green, but some time ago it was black and white. Okay, that is why the ones above are black and white. So but the ones you'll be seeing probably will be these colors. So the bullish are the green candle, the bearish are the red candle. But for you to understand which one is bullish and which one is bearish, basically is for to understand where it opened and the lowest price it went and the highest price and when it closed. So now this is the body of the candle, like we discussed earlier, right? Now these bullish candlesticks, it opened is this candle opened at this level, at this price. Okay, we'll be seeing in the market shortly. It opened at this price. Okay, now when it opened at this price, it went high to this point, trying to go bullish, so bullish. But when it reached this point, maybe there was a very selling pressure, high selling pressure. So it went down again to this point, this lowest point, and maybe there was now a lot of selling pressure, buying pressure rather, and it went up again. It couldn't go higher than this. Then it closed here after that given time frame. After that 1 hour, there was no much buying pressure. It closed here to form another candle again. So this is how to understand the bullish and the bearish candlesticks. You remember what we said? We said it opened here and went as high as this. There was now a selling pressure. It went as low as this, and now there was a buy pressure. It went as high as this and couldn't go further, so the candle closed here. Now this is how to understand the candlesticks, which are bullish and bearish. Remember, this is the wick or tail or shadow. Now okay, so now in the bearish candlestick, Okay, in this bearish candlestick, it is uh it's almost the same thing but opposite of the bullish candlestick. Now, in the bearish candlestick, the price opens here. It opened here. Now it went down. It, the price opened here. Okay, it went down to the lowest. Went down to the lowest, and maybe there was a buying pressure. Then it went high again, trying to form a bullish trend. But the now when it gets here, now it seems there was a selling pressure, so it got down. And now when it got here, there was just so much not so much pressure, selling pressure to absorb or give it more candles, so it closed here. I believe this is a very understandable explanation I have given. So this is the wick, this is the shadow of the wick, or the tail, and this is the body of the candle. This is the opening price, and this is the closing price. This is as high as the bullish bearish candle went, and this is as low as the bearish candle went. Okay. Uh, so for the purpose of this tutorial or this video, I wanted to show us how this works in our normal life chart. Okay, this now is a candle. Let's use this candle for example. Okay. I think let me use this arrow. Okay, so let's use this candle for example. Now this candle opened the price here at this price, at this price 44 okay, 47,102 $47,102. Okay, it opened the price at this, it opened this candle at this price. And the because of this uh this maybe there was a selling pressure, so it went down up to this amount, up to this 46,000 549. But now it got another buying pressure again, and pushes it above this to this price 49,243. But when it gets to this 49,243, there was now a selling pressure, and it boosts it down to this price 48,885, 48,858, and it closed the candle here. It closed this candle. Remember what we said, this is the wick, and this is the 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 all wick or what shadow or tail. Okay, it's still the same thing with a bearish candle. Okay, you see the wick, it didn't go higher than, you know, the way this one went. It was different, quite different. So now, after understanding the candles, now I want you to do a homework. Then I've shown you how this, with the previous explanation on how bearish candle. Now this is a bearish candle because it's what's it called, red. Okay, but this is not the way to identify it. By the way, you have to put in your own to understand that this is where the market opened at this price here. It opened at this price. It went down further, and for some reason it went up again, trying to form a bullish candle, but it couldn't go further because of some selling pressure at $52,000 price, and it went down to this point. It went up to uh, it went up to 45. $42,000, and it, because of some buying pressure or some reason, it couldn't just close at this 52,000. It closed here at 46,000. Okay, so this is the difference between the bullish and the bearish candle. Just showing you example from the chart we'll be using to teach all our tutorials. Okay, this is technical analysis.